These miniature cooking videos are absolutely taking over the internet right now. They are so satisfying to watch, hence they are pulling in millions of views. So if you want to learn how to create this type of content, if you want to specify in this type of niche, you are in the right video. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to create this type of videos from scratch. Now this is the prompt. All you have to do is just copy this prompt that I'm showing you right now. So once you copy this full prompt, you're going to paste it on ChatGPT. Once you paste on ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to generate 10 topics for you, 10 miniature food topics. Like, it is just the way it's created this 10. Then you are going to pick the one you like. Okay, I picked 6. You just have to pick the number of the one you like. Once you pick it, ChatGPT will generate the image prompt and the video prompt for you. Okay, so that's all you need. Once ChatGPT generates the image and video prompt, you copy the image prompts, then you head over to your Google Flow platform. Once you're on the Google Flow platform, you sign in, then you tap on new project. Okay, once it's open, you're going to tap on the image generation icon, because we're going to be creating our image before video. Now you're going to tap on where there's video and select the image. Select your aspect ratio, select your AI model. We're going to be using the Gemini Omni. You can also use Google VU if you like. Then you select your resolution, select 1x. Then you are going to paste the image prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Okay, once you paste it, you are going to tap on that arrow to generate your image, and it will not even take up to 1 minute. Your image would be generated. Now that your image is generated, let's generate the video also. If you want to save the image, just long press on the image. You see download, you tap on download to save it into your phone. Now to create the video, long press the image. Okay, you'll see some icons there. You're going to tap on animate, because we want to animate this image into a video. So you tap on animate it to show here, and you go back to ChatGPT to copy the video prompt. Okay, you're going to copy the entire video prompt, everything, copy all these scenes. Once you've copied the video prompt, you go back to the platform, you tap on video AI generation, you select your AI model. You can use VO, you can use any form of the video 2.1, video 3.1, or OmniFlash. Okay, now I selected OmniFlash. You select your duration, select your resolution, everything. Then you're going to paste the video prompt. Okay, once you paste it, you're going to tap on this arrow to generate your video, and in less than minutes your video would be generated. To download the video, you are going to long press the video. Once you long press it, you see some icon, then you click on download, and immediately the video will be downloaded into your phone. It's just as easy as this. Now let's watch the video that we created. Let me create another video example so you would learn again. So go back to ChatGPT. You know those topics, those different topics, those 10 topics ChatGPT gave us. You pick another number, select the one you like. Okay, then you just type the number. Once you type the number, ChatGPT will generate the image prompts and the video prompt for you. Okay, as you can see here, I tapped number 8, and it generated the image prompt and the video prompt. Now you're going to copy the image prompt. Once you copy the image prompt, you're going to go back to that platform. Then you tap on the image icon, select your aspect ratio 1x and your AI model. Then you paste the image prompt. Once you paste the image prompt, you tap on that arrow to generate, and in less than a minute your image would get generated. To download this into your phone, you long press on the image. You see some icon, you tap the download button, and immediately it will be downloaded to your phone. Now let's animate this image. Let's change this image to a video. So you're going to long press on the image. Once you long press on the image, you're going to see some icons there. You're going to tap on animate. Once you tap on animate, you're going to go back to ChatGPT to copy the video prompts. Okay, once you copy the video prompts, we're going to come back to this platform. We're going to select the video icon, select our aspect ratio, select the duration, the resolution, the AI model. Once you've selected everything, you're going to paste the video prompt. Once you paste your video prompt, you're going to tap on that arrow to generate the video, and in less than a minute your video will get generated. Once your video gets generated, long press on the video. You see some icons, you tap on download to download the video into your phone. Now let's watch the videos we downloaded. Now I also generated some other videos off camera, so this video would not be too long. Now let's watch everything together. Now I have taught you how to create these miniature cooking videos. Do well to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, drop it in the comments. I'll do well to answer. See you in our next class. I love you all. Toodles!